Hi guys, postman's bin. There should be some more gears for that Robot Wars radio controlled shunt. Right, well, they look a bit more promising, closer to the one I'm looking for. I bought the longer ones. There's two sizes available, but that still looks smaller than I'm looking for. That's one of the originals. This is getting very frustrating. Let's see if it will actually fit. Taken shunt apart. The gear that goes just there is this one that's got the split in it. I don't know if we can see the split, but it doesn't really matter. This is one of the replacements. I've just sawn it down to size because they're, as I say, a little bit too long. So I've cut it down to size. So we should be able to get it on there. It's not going to be easy, and my finger's going to be in the way, so you're not going to see what I'm doing. But on the positive side, it's a good tight fit on there. Sounds a bit rattly. I still think it's a bit small. I'll pop the batteries in place and we'll give it a little run round, see what happens. Well, I've given it a little run and it does work, but it's loud. I think those teeth are not meshing well enough. I'll just give you the comparison. Sounds quite loud and rattly. If we do the other one, and back to the new one. So I think that is rattling around. So I think that's still too small. I think I'm going to have to order the next size up again. Yeah, not happy with that. It shouldn't be as loud as that. We'll give it a little run just to see how it goes on with that gear, but I am a bit worried about it. I'm going to have to order another set. I still think that one's too small, and that's why it's too noisy. So, forwards. Yep. Backwards. Yep. Right. Yep. Forwards a bit. Left. Backwards. Spin. Spin the other way. And the axe, which way is that? Yeah. Yeah, so it's working. but I'm worried about it. I have to have a look online. I still think those gears are just the wrong size, either 1/2 millimetre or 1 millimetre too small, and that's why it's so loud. That's the noisy side. And that's the quiet side. So new gear, which I think is too small and making it noisy. Old gear, nicely meshing, quieter. But it is working. That'll do for now.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.